Hello Eagle Targeters, welcome back to our channel, where we consistently deliver the latest and fastest updates in the field of current military affairs.
The B-2 Spirit and B-21 Raider are subsonic American strategic bombers designed to evade radar and deliver both conventional and thermonuclear weapons. Both aircraft were developed by the American defense company Northrop Grumman. At a glance, they appear almost identical. However, the B-21 Raider is slightly smaller, has a longer range, and incorporates much more advanced technology than the B-2, which it is set to replace. Still shrouded in secrecy, the only images released to the public of the B-21 Raider are head-on views, making it challenging to discern the differences from the B-2 Spirit. When the B-2 Spirit was unveiled to the public in November 1988, it was rolled out of a hangar at Northrop's facilities in Palmdale, California, for all to see. Given the well-publicized event, Aviation Week writer Michael A. Dornheim assumed that the Soviet Union would have a satellite overhead to capture images of the new stealth aircraft. To secure an exclusive for Aviation Week, Dornheim rented a Cessna 172 and hired photographer Bill Hartenstein to take aerial photos, resulting in a legendary overhead shot of the B-2. The military was displeased, so for the B-21 unveiling on December 2, 2022, they ensured the event took place at night, with the aircraft never leaving the hangar. Guests at the unveiling were only allowed a front-facing view, revealing primarily the narrower air intakes of the B-21 Raider compared to the B-2 Spirit. These smaller air intakes enhance the aircraft's stealth capabilities by making the engine fan blades less detectable. According to Popular Science, citing Air and Space Forces magazine, the B-21 Raider features a sharper cockpit incline, different landing gear, and a smoother outer protective radar-absorbing coating. An October article in Aviation Week, without knowing all the precise specifications of the B-21 Raider, offered the following comparison. When the concept of a stealth aircraft capable of evading enemy radar emerged in the mid-1970s, the USA was in the midst of the Cold War with the Soviet Union. Following the collapse of the Soviet Union on December 25, 1991, the United States began to shift its focus towards China. The United States Air Force was originally slated to receive 132 B-2 Spirit aircraft, but ultimately only acquired 21 before the program was halted. Over the years, stealth technology continued to advance, and in 2015, the USAF requested a stealth bomber that could not only deliver bombs but also serve as a battle manager and interceptor. The B-21 Raider prototype made its maiden flight on November 10, 2023, and is expected to enter service with the USAF in 2030. Once operational, it will replace the Air Force's B-2 Spirit and B-1 Lancer strategic bombers. It may also replace the aging B-52s, although their new Rolls-Royce F-130 engines are expected to keep them in service until the 2050s.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this show can broaden the knowledge for you and your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel even bigger.